Okay, so just a quick recap. On-prem is all the hardwares L1, L2, L3, L4 you're responsible, and the cloud you are not responsible for L1, L2, L3, L1, L2. Like there is no switches, no routers, no L1 connectivity at all in the AWS cloud. Okay, so what you need to do is, let's say you are sitting here. Let's say tomorrow you are sitting in PSF office, or you're sitting at your home. Okay, you connected to your laptop. Okay, this is your laptop, and you have internet access, right? So what will happen is, from internet access you will connect to the AWS console. Okay, this is called AWS console. AWS console. So in the AWS console, you can create, once you get an AWS console, you can create your own network, right? So here, like you will create network, you can create subnets, you can create servers, you can create storage, everything is possible. Okay, but the only thing is, see, whenever most of the people, they think cloud means everything is virtual. No, this is not a virtual. This cloud is nothing but, this data center is AWS data center. Okay, so let me show you something here. If I go back and in the Google, if I show you how the AWS data center is, AWS data center virtual tour. So have a look on it. Our data center. See, the AWS data centers will be like this. Okay, where high security, no one will be there like at the distance. It's very like high power. Okay, with 10 gig connectivity and all. So like very less chances, like with the huge security and all. So can you see this? So our data centers. So this is called a data center. Okay, our controls, if I go here, okay, no, not this. So the only difference here is, and if you, this is the AWS data center, and if you are managing your own data center, so I will show you data center. So this is called a data center, so where all your network devices will be. So this is called a racks. Okay, and in this data center, see, this is a very big organization data center, where you can see here a very high cooling environment will be there. Your all switches, routers, firewalls, servers, storage, load balancer, every device will be connected here. Okay, see, can you see here with the dual power and high redundancy, and with the huge cooling environment and all. So in the data center, the temperature will be in the minus. So, or very like you cannot sit in the data center for more than 2 hours. You need to come outside. That's what. So see, the cabling, everything is a structure cabling, racking cabling. See, this is the place. Like if any server went down, you need to go into the data center and fix it. See, but guys, this data center, these are the very big organization data center I'm talking about. But still, every small organization also, they maintain their data center. Like they will have a 1 2 3 racks in one of the room, and they will like they will maintain these things. So you know what, if this data center you are managing, so you are responsible for everything. But this is a AWS data center. Okay, they already have a data centers. Okay, and what you are doing is, in their data center you are placing your server. Like in the data center already servers are there, you are just taking that server, I want this server. Okay, so what they will do, all the L1 connectivity cabling, uh, hardware and all, everything is there, but you will responsible which operating system you want. Okay, then for how many hours you want that servers. Okay, so what, you will pay as you go. Like if say, this server, you are using this server only 2 hours per day, so Amazon will charge you 2 hours per day, right? Whatever. So when we talk about the cloud, see, this is the cloud actually. So how many server providers are there? So there are three famous providers. I can say AWS, Amazon Web Services, then Azure, which is Microsoft, okay, and Google. Okay, so these are the currently three leading providers. Okay, like I can, if sorry, I don't give a number, because every organization has their own choice. Okay, so either you can use AWS, Azure, Google, or some organization use all three. This is called a hybrid module. Some organization only use AWS, some organization use AWS plus Azure, some organization use all three cloud, some organization they use cloud plus on-prem. So this is called a hybrid network. Hybrid network means you will also have some data center physical, you will also have you will use a cloud data center. Okay, so AWS data centers are like this. Okay, where you will use the AWS. So now see, I'm sitting here. Okay, let me just take this out. Okay, so let's say I'm sitting at my home. Okay, and I connected with the internet. So how can I connect to the cloud? Okay, so to connect to the cloud, I need to go to the internet. Okay, and here just search AWS Amazon.com. Okay, just click on it. So see, the AWS is where, like, they are excellent in the documentation. Okay, everything you will see here. So can you see in the right side, sign in to the console? Just click on it. Okay, so when you say sign in to the console, see, actually what is happening is, I am, okay. Okay, so let me take a new. Okay, so currently, just think about my current situation. See, I am at home. Okay, I connected with my laptop. Okay, I have an internet connectivity which is continuously breaking today. Okay, so this is my internet. Okay, then from the internet, so there is a AWS cloud here. AWS cloud. So this AWS cloud, it is already connected to the internet. So what you are doing here is, on once you have an internet, in the internet, in your laptop, you are saying Amazon AWS dot Amazon.com. Okay, so the moment you click here, so you will see a sign in Amazon Web Services. See, so you are getting this signing page, Amazon Web Services. So you are just signing to the console. So what does it mean when you say signing to the AWS console? So you need, first you need to create an account in the AWS. So like, who are you? What is your details? Okay, why Amazon? Why, how you are going to create a servers in the Amazon? How you are going to use the data center? This all question will answer once you create the account. So first thing first, you need to create AWS console account. Okay, when you create an account, then only they will allow you. So how to create the account? So this is the option. So if you, the moment you go here, so Amazon Web Services console, so you're signing in a root user, IAM user, and root user email ID something, and create a new AWS account. See, you guys will be here. So what you need to do, create a new AWS account. Go here. Okay. So now use for account recovery administrative function. Okay, this is the choose a name your account. So let's say like you can give your email account name. Let's say PSF skills. Okay, it is required email address actually. So you just need to fill this form. Okay, and just I think the next, and after that what they want, what they ask you is like you just fill the information like your name, email address. It will ask for the authentication, like it is same like a Gmail creation Gmail. The only difference here is there will be in the port after that there will be one option here to insert the credit card information. Okay, so why this is required? Because this is something like when you try to create account, so Amazon required your credit card details here. Why? Because tomorrow what will happen, you will create one instance. Okay, so you are creating one server which will consume the power, which will consume the AC, and it is in it is actually the shared place. Okay, so you are taking it in the on the rental. So if you create that and forget, then who will pay this bill? That's why they keep your credit card information with them. See, if you put that information, they will not charge you even a like single rupee. So only the first time when you connect, so they will just charge you 1 rupees. Okay, 1 rupees will be get credit like um, debited from your account just for a confirmation. Okay, so what will happen, every month they will charge a bill. So let's say tomorrow you created some database, you created some like multiple server, Linux server, Windows server, you created some automation stuff here. So you are using services, right? So every service is charged, guys. I'm telling you one more time, every service is charged in AWS. There is nothing free here. So don't think that without chalo bhai, just let's go and create the account and do it. No, this is the first disclaimer. Okay, never. If first of all, if you create a account, do very careful. Whenever you create something, destroy it at that time itself, otherwise it will get you charged. You know, I was like for one of the practice in like last year, yeah. So I created one of the service in some region and I forget that, and they were keep billing me some 900 rupees per month. I was unable to see where is that, where I created. So I found what happened, like in Mumbai region somewhere. I created one instance, I deleted that instance. But with that instance, some backup, what is called hard disk will be was there, which was still present there. That's why I was getting charged for that. So this is very carefully like, but see, but without this you cannot practice. I'm telling you, you need a AWS console account, and no one will give you that okay bhai hello mera account le lo bolke. No. Why? Because you are responsible what you are doing here. Okay, and if you create the instance and delete it immediately, there will be zero charge. Okay, if you create anything, that's what I'm saying, whatever you create, delete it immediately, so it will not charge you. Okay, so this all things. So let me just take you to the console. uh, if I go back, just search here Amazon console. Amazon management console. Okay, complete sign up it is asking. Okay, so if I am already a root user, so I can just go here, next, password. Don't ask me what is this star star star. See, I also have a dual authentication. Like from my mobile, I'm having one OTP. So I need to generate one OTP, then only it will get login. Okay. So welcome to AWS. Oops. What is this? Sign into the console. Why it is getting okay. Okay, so guys, this is called an AWS console. Okay, so this is the dashboard where you will see like all this stuff. So in the right side, when you create an account, see every account will have some ID. So this is this should be your account should be different ID. Okay, and if you go to like you will like this is the first place. Second thing, in the right side you will see a region. Okay, so this is one of the very important concept in Amazon. What is the region and availability zone? Okay, what is the region and what is the availability zone? I will just try to give just a few minutes. So if you don't understand, no problem, tomorrow we will discuss once again. So what is the region is, if you just go here and check. So in here I see North Virginia, US East one, then Ohio, US West 2, California, US West 1, US West 2. In the US I see four regions. Come down, in Africa South, then in the Asia Pac means India. So can you see here Hong Kong, Jakarta, Mumbai? See Mumbai, we have a region, AWS region. Osaka, Singapore, there, Tokyo, these are the regions. And if you go down in the UK side, European country, you have these all regions. So what is the region now? So that's a good concept. So a region is nothing but, okay, region is, let's say, a one region can have multiple availability zone. Okay, one availability zone here, the second data center and the third data center. Okay, so let's say for example I'm choosing a Mumbai region. Okay, so in Mumbai region, when I select Mumbai region, so there will be three data center in the, they will provide you DC1. Okay, it is actually called AZ available. This is called availability zone. So this is called a region, and inside the region you will have availability zone. So in availability zone you will be having a data center, let's say DC1, then you will have a DC2, you will have a DC3. So what is the advantage here is, see I'm a Indian user, okay, and my company is here in India and my users are in India. So when I connected to my laptop and all, okay, and I will connect to the AWS console, okay, and I will choose a Mumbai region. Why? Because I want a service. Let's say tomorrow I want to build a servers. I want to build some application. and my all users are Indian users. Okay, so my nearest place, nearest region is Mumbai. Okay, and in the Mumbai, they are providing me. See, let's say you have a, some application that internet user, they will come here. Let's say Amazon itself. Amazon, you are purchasing something, right? Some shopping you are doing from the Amazon sites and all. So if one server is there, and if this server went down, so obviously you need a redundancy. So what you can do is you can create a multiple servers in different availability zone. Okay, and so they will provide you a redundancy. And to the internet, when the people come, they will come here, they will try to access this DC. If this DC went down, they will the traffic will divert here. If this is also went down, then again here. So 3 time redundancy they are providing you. So there is a 0.0. Amazon said they like they have 0 point, sorry, 99.99999 availability guarantee. So if you build any service, so it will never be down. That's their saying. Okay, so in Mumbai region, I can have multiple availability zone, right? Okay, so I have another office. Let's say some of the US company. Okay, and they want to host some Amazon services. So they will choose a US region. Why? Because that is near to them, right? I see. Anyway, there is no compulsory that even from India I can host my services in US region. No one will stop me. But only thing is, as you know, we are going from internet to internet, right? So the speed and latency will be, obviously it will be increase when you host something in USA. So for USA user, this region is good. For Indian user, this region is good. For Hong Kong and Hong Kong, the another that region is good. So what is the region means? Region is nothing but a collection of availability zone, or I can say a collection of data center. One region can have multiple availability zone. Okay, this is what it is showing here. If you go here, see, if I look at here, um, if I want to select a Mumbai region, see here Mumbai. So I just selected a Mumbai region, and here I can view few things like in Mumbai, how many availability zone I have. So I can go just, this is called a service. We'll talk more on this. So this is not a first and last class. So just have a look on what is the view, how it looks. Okay. So can you see here in the Mumbai region, service is operationally, it is saying. And if I go down, zones, I want to see a complete health check of the Mumbai region. So AWS health dashboard. Oh, we have any. Okay, that's taking much time. So subnet, if I show you a subnet here, so can you see here AZ availability zone? So Mumbai has 3 availability zone: AP South 1A, second is AP South 1B, AP South 1C. So any, if you go to any availability zone, minimum, sorry, in any region, minimum 3 availability zone will be there. And you know what, the good news is Hyderabad also becoming one of the region of Amazon. So in future, I think next year or 20 by 2024, you will see another region Hyderabad here. So when you say a Hyderabad region, obviously they will have a multiple data centers there where you can host your services. Similarly, see, in Mumbai region, I have a 3 availability zone. Amazon have 3 availability zone. If I go here, US East one, this is the default landing page. Like if you don't select any region, so you by default this North Virginia is the default region for Amazon. Okay, and can you see here, North Virginia has 6 availability zone. A US East one, A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 availability zones are there. It means North Virginia has 6 data center. One, two, three, A, B, C, D, E, F. So in each data center, you can host a service, you can host a services, and you can use it. Okay. So very important concept in cloud: region and availability zone. Availability zone, one region can have multiple availability zone. Okay, and you know what, this all available, this all data center, they connected to each other with high like a 10 gig interfaces. They connected with 10 gig with dual power, sorry, dual redundancy. So these all data DCs are connected to each other within, and these all are the AWS maintain, they maintain, AWS maintain these all data center. So we need to charge, like if you are using, if you are hosting any server in their data center, so we need to charge. Okay, they will charge us, we need to pay them. And the, like how much you use the AWS service, that only, that much only you need to pay. Okay, if you have a console access, if you are not using anything, so there will be zero charges. But if you host one of the server, okay, one of the, whether you are using or not, but the power is there, the cooling will be there will be separate public IP will get assigned. So these all things will be engaged, so you will get charged. Okay, that's the Amazon Web Services. Okay, so you will have multiple stuffs. So these are the, this is called a region, this is called this one. And in the left side, if you go here, these are the services. Guys, can you see, currently Amazon is providing hundreds of services, hundreds of services. So let's say storage, so they are providing the storage, so they are providing you S3, FSC, EFS, AWS backup, and this all storage gateway and all. Security and identification, so these all are the security features: certificate manager, cognito, detective, IAM, inspector, Amazon Messi, Amazon Hub, lot of services. Okay, satellite services, robotic services, quantum services, network and content stuff, cloud front. Okay, VPC is very important. Route 53 is like a DNS service in the Amazon. Okay, then migration and transfer, like how you're going to migrate your services. Okay, then management and governance. Then you have machine learning stuff, you have internet of things, compute. This is I'm sorry, was I lost?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So these all are the services AWS has. So it is not compulsory that you use every service. No, whatever the service you need for your business purpose, you can use that service only. Okay, so you have n number of things here to learn, to um, understand the things and all. There is something called billing dashboard. Always when you create an account, always go and check the billing stuff. So I will show you, because every month they will share you a new bill. Okay, so for example, see, currently nothing is there pending for me. So if you go to the bills, okay, So can you see the August? There is no zero bill is there. But if I go and show you something in December, okay, can you see 151? So the billing will be in the dollars. So $2 was charged. Why? Because I left some of the service. So can you see here? I left one of the elastic file system or elastic cloud computing. So can you see they are charging every service a small pennies they will charge you. So how many hours you uh, use that? So if I go to November, so can you see some 18 rupees are there? INR. See 18 rupees only for a whole month. So but depend after you use any service, you need to immediately terminate that. See 383. So 383 means obviously I left something. Can you see $4.38? So it is for the elastic computing system. If you go, see you can, they will show you in North Virginia in one of the region, you use one of the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud running Windows. See, there was something running there. And also per GB, like some hard disk also I took, but I forget to remove that hard disk. So this they will charge you for this one. Okay, so this is important. If I go to June, I think, okay, can you see this 700 rupees something? So why they use? Because I use the services more. And can you see here, elastic computing stuff? See, for every service they will give you a detail like how much amount they charge and which service you open. Okay, so this is a billing, and all is very important to check. And this bill you need to pay from that credit card which you are going to enroll. So don't think that कि भाई 1,000 रुपए का बिल आ गया, 5,000 का बिल आ गया. No, obviously it will come if you open like 4 5 servers and you left it for 1 month. But definitely you will get charged because it is in the Amazon data center. Okay, it's happening in the Amazon data center. So that's what they their simple services: pay as you go. Pay as you go. Whatever you use, we will charge you that much only. Okay, so this is all about. So what we need to learn here is, so in AWS cloud the main things like VPC, this is a network. Okay, you can create your own network here. Subnet, can you see your subnet, routing table, internet gateway, subnets, these all things are okay. Then this is the more like in the region, tomorrow we will discuss on this one. In the region we will create our own network. Okay, we will define our own subnet, and we will start building our services. We can start hosting our services, creating a servers, using their services. So this is like a building block from it. But the first primary thing is console access. You need to create a console account. Okay, so how to create a console? So it's very simple. I will share you a link, so you can just follow that. You need a credit card, or like uh, some, yeah, you need or Axis Bank or some Citibank account. Debit card will also fine. So it will charge you just 1 rupees for initial stuff. And after that you will get a console access. Then only you can do a AWS practice. Otherwise just watching the video, watching the thing, like in the YouTube thousands of networks are there. If you go to the YouTube and just say here, create AWS account, so they will tell you a number of things. uh, Create AWS account. Okay, how to create free AWS account. Okay, n number of tutorials are there. So just go here. Next, I think this guy, he's shown how to create that. I already created that account. That's what I mean, because I need to fill those information. Complete sign up. Okay, then Okay, see, just fill your information, email address, and this is a 12-month free tier access, but it is not a free. I will tell you why it is not free. Okay, account detail. Oh, not here. It is a professional. Okay, it will ask you, are you professional or personal? Just put the personal. Okay, so this is the credit card detail, card number, expiry date, and so nowadays everyone is aware as you purchase things from the Amazon. So this is same like credit card, you need to put that information and put that. That's it. Then they will send you email confirmation, and you are into the console. So let's see. So see, guys, you need to create the account. That's the primary and 100% requirement to do this stuff. Okay. So I hope uh, you will create the account. Okay, don't once you create the account, don't create anything. Just have a look in. You should be landing on this page. Just have a look on your account ID and region, and just try to see this, and that's it. Don't create anything. Okay, so we will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow 10 o'clock we'll meet in okay, so we'll stop here. So hope you got some basic, and we will continue tomorrow in office. Okay, so